everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach HTML. This time is a very short lesson. We're talking about comments. Okay, so why do you need to know about comments? What are their purposes and what are the ways that you can use them and their syntaxes? First, comments. Comments are ignored by the browsers by default, right? And you can use them to serve as notes or documentation to help you. They can also hide block of quotes temporarily for you. Here is a multi-line comment. You can actually just do single line. This supports single line and multi-line. These are the symbols that you need to write. This is the beginning and this is the end, okay? You can have whatever spacing, whatever new lines in your comments. And to hide the content, just put your code in between these two. And if you want to hide parts of your elements, that can do. You can put comments anywhere in your code and they'll just be ignored by the browsers completely. So let's have a quick demonstration. Okay, this looks a bit hard to see. I'm going to format the document a bit. There we go. And let's see, I want to hide the address section, okay? If you don't have an end tag for the comments, everything else that's behind the starting tag will be comments, okay? Now I want to hide some of the elements, okay? And then I want to put in some documentations, right? Okay. All of these showcases how you can do quotations and citations. I'll link the video up here. You can click on it and see what it's all about. Control S to save, and let's see. There you go. None are shown, the address is hidden, and some parts of the videos are hidden as well. It's very short, very concise, but comments are very important to help keep your codes concise, understandable, comprehensible. Okay? Remember to click that like and subscribe button. I hope to see you next time. Learn today, better tomorrow. Bye.